guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, oh my goodness, may God Almighty continue to bless you all. You guys are so amazing and I love you all so much. Oh my God. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, everything is just turning around for my good. As you all can see, this passion twisting, guys, is from Living Beauty Hair. Oh my goodness, this video is sponsored by Living Beauty Hair, guys. Oh my God, please guys, go and support us. I'm going to be putting down the link. Okay, I'm going to be putting down the link. Okay, shop with us. It's a very good hair and it's not heavy at all. As you can see, it's so cool and I love this hair so much. Oh my God, Living Beauty Hair, thank you so much for this hair. This your gift is so amazing and it fit me so well. You all know Sexy Osas is a beautiful girl, guys. Oh my God, I'm so happy. You know, you guys are really amazing. Okay, my returning subscribers, I really want to thank you all for this amazing job. Okay, this year is amazing job. I really do appreciate you all. You guys are so amazing for always coming back to support me. Oh my goodness, what have I done to deserve all this? Okay, you know, this beautiful smile of mine deserve everything. Yeah, that is it, guys. So this video is sponsored by Living Beauty Hair, guys. Please guys, you have to support us. You have to support your baby girl more. Okay, for more business. Okay, if you all want me to talk about your business, your brand, okay, Sexy Osas is ever ready. Give me what you have and I'm ready to talk about it. Okay, as you can see, this beautiful gift from Living Beauty Hair, guys. Oh my goodness, you guys are so amazing. Thank you all so much. So they sent me 6 packs. Oh my goodness, I still have one left and this, guys, you see, it's so amazing. Everything about there is beautiful. Okay, so you do shop with them. They are amazing and they deliver so quickly. And I also have a promo code. You know, if you want to order this, just click the link below so that you will have a promo code from us. Okay, that is it, guys. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, guys. Okay guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye. Hello my beautiful people. Oh my goodness, today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a passion twisting, guy. Actually, this is my first time, so I'm so happy, guys. So I received this from Living Beauty Hair, guys. They sent me 6 packets. All right, yeah, so I was so happy to receive this gift from there. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Thank you. As you can see, this is number 3 and this is the number 4, 5 and the last one. That is it, guys. Oh my goodness, and it also came with this, you see. All right, guys, so I was so happy to receive this. Yes, thank you so much, my returning subscribers. You guys are so amazing. So right now, you all know I love this my little spray so much. Yes, guys, so as you can see my hair today, I really did a great job by parting it little by little. Oh yes, so I'm going to be using my coiling lala. Okay, lala coiling. All right, let me put it that way. So right now I'm going to be starting, you know, so I'm going to try this way. You know, I don't really like it because the last time I did it was so painful. Okay, as in bringing the hair together, you know, twisting. Oh my goodness, at the end it was so painful. So I'm just going to try it to see if it's going to be okay, but I'm not too sure that I'm going to continue with it, guys. All right, so let's just continue doing it. Okay, and twisting is one of the hair I always run away from. Oh my goodness, yes. I don't really like it because I'm not too good at it. I'm not too good at it at all, you know. Right from the beginning of braiding my hair, oh my goodness, I don't really like this twisting of a thing at all. Yes, I don't really like it. It's so stressful for me, you know. But most people said it's very easy to do, but for me, I don't really like it at all. So that is why I'm I'm just going to try my best. Anyway, let me just put it this way. I'm going to try my best to do this twisting today. All right, okay. So as you can see, I'm still doing it, twisting it, you know, the way it's supposed to be. I really love this hair. It's so cool, you know. It's so cool. I love this hair so much. So guys, try your best to get this hair for yourself. Okay, trust me, you are going to like this hair. You are going to like this hair. It's so soft, you know. Oh my goodness, I don't really know how to explain it. So as you can see, I'm off that right now. I'm going to be doing my hair like this. Okay, I told you, I know you can, as you can see, no, I'm just keeping it aside. Trust me, guys, I don't really like it. So painful, especially at the front of my hair, you know. So painful. I don't really like it, but I'm still going to try my best to work with this. Okay, yeah. All right, so I'm just continue, you know, twisting my hair. I really enjoyed this hair because it was so soft and easy to work with. Oh my goodness, that is the part I love most. It was so easy for me to twist. Yeah, you know, it wasn't like, it's not like a expression, you know. So I'm so happy. This is my first time of doing twisting on this my YouTube channel, guys, and I really love it, and I pray to do it again and again and again and again. All right. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Oh my god, my whole subscribers, you guys are really amazing. Yes, I must say, you guys are so amazing, and help me, guys, to grow more than this. Help me continue sharing my video. Help me, guys. I really need to move from this step right now to higher one. Okay, let me put it away. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. And I also want to thank this Living Beauty hair. You guys are so amazing for giving me this amazing hair. Oh my goodness, I really do appreciate you all. Okay, trust me, my people is going to patronize you. All right. Okay, that is it, guys. As you can see, I'm about to end this hair. Okay, let me put it that way. You can see the hair is really beautiful, and my face is coming out so well. Oh my goodness, I'm so in love with this hair. Yes, I'm telling you guys the truth. So try to click the link below on the description box. Shop with us. Okay, you will regret shopping with us, and you're going to like the hair and thank me later. All right, okay guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always being there for me, and thank you for always returning to my channel, guys. You guys are so amazing, and I love you all so much. And if you are new to my channel, oh my goodness, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sexy Osas. Oh my god. Yeah, you are welcome to this amazing family. Trust me, you are going to like this my channel so much. Okay, all right, and please don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Okay, thank you for your amazing subscribe. Your amazing subscription. All right, as you can see, the hair is so beautiful. I really love it so much. Thank you all so much, and see you on my next video. And bye.
Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one